Got some $2 tickets and one. Yep, just one. $10 million spectacular, but take my word for it, folks. You're gonna want to stick around for this, because I got a feeling. I got a really good feeling. Something extra special is gonna happen. You know how things go with Jigsaw Jeff. Got one of these million. Yep. What's going on, everybody? I truly hope everybody's happy and healthy and blessed. Jigsaw Jeff back on your screen. Might be saying to yourself, okay, Jigsaw Jeff, what you got in store for us today? This is a little puzzling to us. Got some $2 tickets and looks like a $10 ticket there. What's going on today? Well, yes, thought we'd mix it up a little bit. So, yeah, got some $2 tickets and one. Yep, just one. $10 million spectacular, but take my word for it, folks. You're gonna want to stick around for this, because I got a feeling. I got a really good feeling. Something extra special is gonna happen. So trust me on this one. All right, so let's get going here. Oh boy, yeah, we got 4 of these $2 Paradise Payout scratch off lottery tickets. Everybody knows the deal. Indiana, who's your lottery? Who's your lottery? This one's mine. Yeah. Well, I played this one other time. I think I did all right on it. All right, let's see what happens today. Tickets number, trust me, I'm excited. Tickets number 89, 90, 91, and 92. All right, let's see what happens on these things. But I thank you folks for watching. You know that. I hope you're doing well. And I cannot thank you enough for all the nice comments. Yep. Scratch your choice today. What are you gonna do, you know? There's worse things that could be happening. Alright, number 30, 36, and a 23. Oh yeah, match and win. I'm telling you. Dolphin symbol, double the prize. Seashell, instant win. Odds, who knows? 38. I can barely contain my excitement. Number 3. Eight and a 9. 24. We got 23. 1 and a 7. 22. Nope, 23 still. Hasn't gone anywhere. 34. I want to see what this dolphin symbol looks like on this ticket. 5 and an 11. 13. Alright, ticket 89, not so fine. On to ticket 90 we go. I got the blue one and a red version of this ticket. Pretty cool looking ticket, I think. So what do I know? Alright, number 2, number 19, number 12. Come on, Dolphin, let's see what that thing looks like. Number 11, one off. 17. 36. Not even close. 32. 21. 24. 20. 8. 13 and a 27. 33, not even close. 9, we needed a 1 in front of it. Alright. Ticket 91. Let's have some fun. I don't know. Alright, number 5, number 26, and a number 8. Yep. $30 and a 35. 15 and a 40, my goodness. Come on now. 2. 21. 29. Number 4. Nope. $28 and a 37. About 25. How about we got a 26? 19. Needed on the last ticket. Alright, ticket 91. No fun. On to ticket 92 we go. Alright, we got a number 40, 23, and a 12. Alright, this has got to be a winning ticket, right? I hope. 36. Nope. 3. 16. 26. 14. Now this is not going according to plan. 18. 8. 11. Come on. Throw me a bone or a seashell. 13. Oh, come on. 20 off. 34. Fantastic. Alright, Paradise Payout, not so much today. Alright, but you know how things go with Jigsaw Jeff. Got one of these million... Yep. You know the routine by now. Got one of these $1 million spectaculars here. The $10 scratch-off ticket. It's at the grocery store. You know how it goes. Sometimes Jigsaw Jeff gets a lottery ticket when he first walks in the store and goes about his shopping and scratches it while I'm doing that sometimes. Alright, so this... it happened again. Alright, this is match and win game. It's got the money bag for an instant win. It's got this elusive 10 times symbol. 10 times the prize. Alright, first and foremost, barcode's not been scratched off, so no funny business. Ticket number 30. Alright. There we go. Alright, so I got the winning numbers here. 51, 14, 43, a 20, number 3, and a 32. Alright, so I started scratching this thing off. Let's do it. Let's make it suspenseful here. Started scratching it off. First number scratched off, 43. I'm like, alright, cool. That's a win already. Second number, maybe we can see that, maybe we can't. 33. No good. Next one, 51. Got a 51 up there. 41. I'm like, alright, reverse. I'm like, alright, we got 2 wins. Probably won't be any more. But then look what happened. Yes. 14 and 14. So that's 3 wins already on the first row. Got all this ticket to scratch yet, and I've played this ticket, you know, enough to know that this is, I think we're on to something pretty good here. So, you know, Jigsaw Jeff and his ways. Finished up the shopping. Had to get this on film. So we'll see if there's any more. This could be it. It could just be 3, but I don't know. Alright, like I said, the barcode's not been scratched off, so I've no clue. Alright, let's get going. Let's find some more wins. The more the merrier here. We've got the suspense built up for long enough. Let's see what else we got here. I'm thinking we're probably going to see some more wins. I don't know. Like I said, I could be wrong. I could be right. 58. Those are the only 2 options. Number 8. Yeah, boy. But I saw that and kind of freaked out. 16. Okay, now come on. 40. Huh. Alright, we still got a lot of ticket to scratch here. 44. But that's the way you want to, that's what you want to see when you start scratching a lottery ticket. Tell you what, 44, no. Huh, alright. 42. 26. Come on now. 15. I thought we'd have, what do we got? 3.5 rows to go? I thought we'd have, alright. 59. Are you just gonna tease me with those first 3 wins in that first row? Number 60? Yeah, boy. 2? Come on. I thought this thing would be full of wins. 25. 50? You gotta be kidding me. 9? No. This is not going according to plan. Number 5. Look at that. 1, 2, 3 wins in the first row. Now 3 rows with nothing. We only got 2 rows to go. Okay. There's another win. Got the money bag. Alright, that's good stuff. Alright, that's 4. Let's see a couple more. 24. Nope. 45. Nope. Number 1. Nope. 28. Huh. Alright, last row. 18. 56. 13. We got a 3. You kidding me? 49. 52. Well, okay. That's something. I'm telling you. 1, 2, 3 wins in the first row and now a money bag. Alright, let's see what we're working with here. I might know where this is going. I might not. I don't know. I think I might. Shouldn't have moved the tripod. Alright, let's see what we got here. 43. I might as well creep up on it. I saw all those wins on that first row and about lost it. Okay, we got $10 there. 51. Another $10. 14. Another $10. Alright, then we got the money bag. I think I know where this is going, and it's alright. Another $10, folks. $40 win. I was... Alright. It is what it is. I thank you for watching, though. You take care, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye-bye.